CKD world because a lot of people who have CKD has one of the symptoms of deficiency is, so if you want your food to turn.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Kidney Coach YouTube channel. I'm naturopathic Dr. Fiona Chin, co-founder of the Kidney Disease Solution and head formulator at Kaigenesis, our nutritional range of supplements that go with our Kidney Disease Solution program. And I'm joined again today by the amazing Lindsey Zerka. So we thought today we would dive into the world of vitamins and which ones are super important when it comes to kidney disease. So shall I just hand it across to you and you can take the floor with all things vitamins and kidney disease?
Sure. Feel free to ask any other questions or remind me of things that we want to talk about. I think one of the big questions when it comes to vitamins and kidney disease is, people are always asking, like, which ones should I take? Is it okay if I'm taking this much? And I think there's a lot of concern because a lot of the vitamin supplements, they have like how much of the RDA or the DRI or whatever that they're meaning. It's like these gigantic percentages and people are like, is that making extra work for my kidneys to have to filter all that out? And, why do they keep putting this much stuff in here? Should I only take this vitamin like once a week now? Like, it gets pretty confusing. So yeah, biotin is really important. It's super popular in the CKD world because a lot of people who have CKD has hair loss. That is the main reason that I see people taking it. And so, yeah, people are just like, I understand, like, who wants to have a bunch of hair loss going on? And it's true, like, biotin, one of the symptoms of deficiency is hair loss for sure. So, I was looking at this. So other things that happen that biotin actually helps a lot with is for fatty acid and carbohydrate and protein metabolism. So if you want your food to turn efficiently into energy for your body, you have to have biotin. So you don't want to be deficient in that. Otherwise, you're going to feel like a slug. And it helps with gene expression. So we've got a lot of factors with DNA and stuff in there, cell signaling. Like, it plays a lot of other roles, but no one really cares about that because you don't see that. People care about the hair.
Nice nails to get nice nails from biotin.
Yeah, the hair, skin, and nails, it's going to have biotin in it, right? So really common for people to have hair loss with biotin deficiency, along with maybe like some weird rash stuff going on around like the eyes, nose, and mouth. And also you get some different neurologic symptoms because it's playing a role there. So obvious why you're a fan because, plays a role with that. So depression, feeling really lethargic, sometimes hallucinations, numbness, like tingling, those kind of things. Those are all symptoms that, hey, you can have a problem with biotin. So we know that with kidney disease that there is impaired absorption. And so you're going to, and is that because people have a lot of uremic toxins and that's interfering with it? What's going on there? I don't think that's been really well elucidated. But of course, if you have any kind of GI issue, again, impaired absorption is going to be a factor on top of kidney disease. And then you do have some losses through dialysis if you're on dialysis. And then there are some medications that can increase your risk of biotin deficiency.
If you want to know more information about what we do, you can head to www.kidneycoach.com. You will find our shop there. We've got renal supplements and herbs there as well. Make sure you hit subscribe and like. That way you'll get notified anytime we put out a new video. And if there's any content that you want Lindsey and I to talk about or anyone else, make sure you drop it in the comments below and let us know, and we'll make sure we do that. Lindsey, thanks again for your time. As always, I always appreciate that amazing brain of yours. And thanks for being part of our team and community, everybody. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Thanks, Lindsey.
Thanks, everyone.